This is a HYCHIKA inflator. This thing looks really cool. So a couple things. Comes with a cigarette lighter. You can plug it into the car. Comes with a battery. You can use a battery in it. It has this nice tube on it. So if you're filling up like an air mattress or something, this is perfect. It'll fill up an air mattress in no time. You have the little readout here, power switch here and a power switch here. And then on the back, you have this so you can fill up your car's tire with air, which is what I'm going to try right here. And then the thing I really like with this is they have these different attachments, and now I always lose these, but they have a spot for each one of these. So this is if you're like to fill up a basketball or a football, and then you have some other attachments too. This is for like a Schrader valve for a different type of bike tire. And if you wanted to fill up a, say, an air mattress, you just go like this, turn it like that, you're locked into place. You can stick that on your air mattress. Depending on the size, you could put that on if needed. So we're going to plug this into the cigarette lighter in the car, and we're going to try to fill the tire up. This tire is a little bit low on air, and we're going to show you how that works. So we have it plugged into the cigarette lighter. It's turned on, which is really cool. And now you can actually set your PSI, and our tire is going to be at 40. So you set it to 40, and then you just put this on. It's got a nice long cord. Look, you even have a flashlight on the side. I accidentally clicked that. So when you're working at night, you can see what you're doing. Nice bright flashlight. I really like the fact you can set the PSI though, and you have a nice long cord on here. So put that on like that. When you hear the air coming out, you know you're good, and then you pinch it. And so it tells you it's also a gauge. So we're at 34.5, but we want to go to 40. And so we're going to press. So you have two buttons. One is for here, and then the other one is for the inflator. You can see it filling up. That's really cool. I like that. You can see the progress. At 37, every couple seconds it updates, 37 and a half. It's kind of nice. It's really nice because you can just kind of set it and then walk away and come back and you know it's not going to overfill it, versus other inflators where you're just filling it, you got to pull it off and you got to put a gauge on. This has the gauge built right in. Now we're at 38 and a half, almost to 40. Let's see what happens once it hits 40. And there we are at 40. You also have some other settings in here, PSI, BAR, and KPA. So you got lots of different settings. You got a flashlight. You can fill up your air mattress. You can fill up your tires. You can fill up your footballs. It's portable, and you can hook it into a cigarette lighter, or it's just portable with the battery. Really cool. Big thumbs up.